In this quick Windows tutorial video, we'll show you how you can change the screen timeout option in Windows 10 or 11 on both PCs or laptops. If you are tired of your screen turning off too soon or it's staying on for too long, then you can open the control panel on your PC or laptop. And once we're here, we will click on the Hardware and Sound option. That's going to open another menu in the control panel where you can see the Power Options setting. We then have to click on this button called Change when the computer sleeps. And you will now see two different options that we can modify for our PC or laptop. You will have the Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep. Mine are both set to Never, but I can click here and select a time period after which I want my display to turn off. I'll set this to 30 minutes, so after 30 minutes of being inactive, my display will automatically turn off. This won't lock your computer. It will just turn off the display so you can save some battery or power. And I can also change the setting for when I want my computer to go to sleep automatically. I can set this to 2 hours. Once you're happy with these changes, tap on the Save Changes option, and that's it. We've changed the screen timeout option on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. If you need more similar Windows tutorials, make sure to check out the playlist from the description of this video, and I will see you in the next one.